I said one thing, and I am again saying that the men has not been taught where they will understand these emotions.
यार इमोशनल लैंग्वेज नहीं सिखाई
नहीं
गई है
सिखाई
उनको।
गई है
हाँ।
Yeah.
अगर आप बच्चे को स्पेशली बॉय चाइल्ड अगर आप बचपन से उसको एक्सप्रेस करना अलाउ करोगे ना, तो वो रेजिंग हैंड वाला स्टेज
नहीं आएगा,
क्योंकि वो एंगर कहाँ से आ रहा है, वो
Anger issue.
सप्रेस्ड इमोशन से आ रहा है, क्योंकि उस इमोशंस कभी बाहर नहीं आने
आएगा.
द प्रॉब्लम इज कुछ टाइम में ना लड़के ये कंडीशनिंग सीख लेते हैं फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स और फ्रॉम सोशल मीडिया और फ्रॉम देयर पीयर ग्रुप हु आर इक्वली स्क्रूड अप कि नहीं टच नहीं कर सकते, अरे मम्मी सबके सामने किस नहीं कर सकती। वो इमोशनल फिजिकल टच खत्म हो जाता है लड़के।
If you are not true to yourself, you are not true to anybody in life. Good morning and welcome everybody. This is me Sadhna and this is my channel, The Attitude of Gratitude. So I got request of people that we should talk about actually the women mental health throughout. So today we have a special guest, Pooja Kataria. Hi Miss Pooja.
Thank you for
She is a
having me.
counselor of relationship. So she's a relationship counselor, right?
That's right.
So Pooja, before we start and before I start questioning or we discuss something, I would like you to introduce yourself to my people while seeing in the camera.
Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Kataria and I'm a relationship counselor. I am into this field for a very, very long time now, but started it professionally from only last 2 years. I belong to the realm of mental health and I am dedicatedly working for women so that I'm able to bring an awareness and shift in their lives, because I truly believe if we are not at a sound place, we can never nurture the people around us, which is our core essence. So that is why this happened. Relationship counseling was one of the things where I really found women were somehow losing their self, and that was greatly impacting, at least around me. I could observe that people were losing their self and were losing a kind of identity in the relationship, because we are givers, we always want to give, but we lose ourselves and somewhere in the process. So वो inclination आया, plus मेरी अपनी personal journey थी in relationship. There were so many ups and downs that really led me to a place that I really got to help women. Anybody who's who's crossing my path, I have to pull them up in a place where they find themselves in a place of dignity. So from there, last more than 2 years now, I got the certification done, started the work. By God's grace, it's going very well, and here we are trying to create awareness around it.
That's lovely, because what I was thinking, you started your introduction and I got so many questions. So as you said, you started your profession only for last 2 years, right?
Yeah.
Okay, before than that, would you mind telling me what you used to do?
So I am...
What is basically your profession?
Yeah, so I was into banking for almost 8 years.
Okay.
But my healing journey was always going parallel to it. So I had started my healings, my energetic healings in 2012. So since then, I am into healing practices also. I facilitate energy healings. I did my master's in 2018, if I'm not wrong. So from 2012 to 2018, I was doing my certifications on healings. Parallelly, I was helping people do that. I used to clean their auric space, their chakras, energetic healing, any kind of pain in the body, physical ailments, energetic ailments, emotional blockages, money blockages, because that's a different story altogether. But then energy healings were my passion, they were going along with my professional field. So only after, I think 2020, I realized that I can't be doing everything in one place. So I gave up on my corporate career and then I started my healing practices, and then that led me to my relationship coaching, and this is where we are.
And so what was the reason you started this?
There's not one reason that I can mention, but I was always inclined to healing. वो बोलते हैं ना, एक अंदर से नेचर ही मेरा ऐसा है दैट आई वांट टू डू फॉर वुमेन. आई एम रियली इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स वुमेन. सो हीलिंग्स के लिए जब मेरा इंक्लिनेशन आया, आई स्टार्टेड माई हीलिंग्स. आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग फॉर माई फैमिली, फॉर फ्रेंड्स, एंड समहाउ द रिस्पॉन्स वॉज सो गुड. I never did any ads for myself. I never did anything spending money and doing a publicity. I got clients just by word of mouth. Only references, and I was always full. My calendar was always full. So that was, I took it as a sign that maybe I meant to do it, maybe not full time because I was doing my banking work also. But eventually I realized that no, this is not going in a proper manner. I can't be in two boats. So I gave up one of those, and then I found my peace here. So I did my healings, and till now I do them. But yes, relationships are more of
More
a
often.
core essence of mine. So
Before she started my last question's answer, she said, I would love and I like to stand for women. And I would like this to all the women around us. Now, this is the time we are in 2026. So, the woman is having more soft corners for their own women, right? So, in this case, I would like to say to everybody, if you have any issue, if you are not able to talk to your family members, if you're not able to speak out, please reach out to us so that we can help you, because we are here to support you and guide you. Because see, there is a saying, if the roots are not nourished properly, you will not be able to get the fruit in the plant.
Correct.
Right? So the women is the roots of the family. If you're not happy, if you are not in peace, you will not be able to serve your family members, whether it's your children, it's your husband, it's your in-laws, or it's your friends, it's your office colleague, anybody. So I would like to tell all my women there, I'm here to support you. We have Pooja with us, and she loves to help the women around. And there's one more saying I would like to say: when a woman stands by a woman, there is something very what you can say, magical happens. So let's find out and let's do this magic together. Please reach out to us. Before I would like to say something, I would like to say thank to you that
Thank
you
you.
said this, and we have a lot of people who are listening to you.
yeah.
So I think might be somebody will have courage to talk about it, and they will come
Definitely.
here to ask for help. So we are
Definitely.
all here. Thank you very much. And Pooja, let's come onto the topic now. As you said, women, mental health, and relationships. So, what is actually you want to talk about? Which kind of relationships here?
So I mostly cater to women who are on the verge of divorce.
I see.
क्योंकि उस टाइम जो breakdown एक औरत का होता है, like that cannot be described in words. And because usual ups and downs हर relationship में होते हैं, but we all, whosoever is married or watching this, women especially, I'm not just biasing women, I'm just saying that especially women,
Right.
there comes a point in your life, in your relationship, somewhere or the other, when you feel that what am I doing in this relationship? You feel stuck, you feel nothing is growing, things are okay, but then still they are still not okay. One of the reels I had posted on my page recently, it went viral, and I could understand why it went viral, because it somehow struck the chord in the women, know that सब कुछ ठीक है पर फिर भी सब कुछ ठीक नहीं है.
ठीक नहीं है, right?
You know, the marriage is just empty.
Okay, let's decode this point by point. So I have few questions to ask. Before you'll answer me, we will be talking in a way where you will not reply as an answer. You should explain it
हाँ.
so that people who are seeing us will be able to understand.
बिल्कुल.
Right? Okay, so the divorce in the marriages, it is a later situation.
Yeah.
But for a woman, what are the key points that she should check, or she check throughout, the newly married couples, or maybe she should check before getting married to a guy, or maybe she should think before getting, before stepping into the marriage word.
Okay, this is very deep. Okay, let's start by one.
Yeah.
So, if we have to start from before the marriage, that's
Right.
a very good start actually.
Right.
We women have not been conditioned in a way that you
Right.
start to prepare yourself because you're going to enter into a relationship now, and now your life will actually impact somebody else, and somebody else's life will impact yours. That conditioning is not given actually, especially in Indian society. So mostly it's a very gala thing. People fantasize about shadi, that okay, you have celebrations, you have party, you have dresses and all that. But really, the what do you call that? The nuggets of wisdom which should be given to women really starts before the marriage.
Right.
And we all come from different backgrounds. You know, when I was doing my certifications, we were told one thing very clearly, that territory is not the map. Now that's a
Right.
code, right?
Right.
अब आप मैप जब देखते हो आपको पता होता है आई हैव टू गो टू दिस प्लेस, बट देन मैप के अंदर आपको नहीं पता चलेगा वो जगह अंदर से कैसी है, राइट? सो योर शादी इज दैट टेरिटरी and map is that wedding gala which is there. So until you walk inside that marriage, you will not understand that the other person also belongs to another culture. They're
Right.
coming from another upbringing, another culture. So going with a very rigid mindset is something I would not support. We have to step into a marriage with an intention that you are going to another family who have a different set of upbringing, cultures, values, acceptance. So you go there as a person who needs to uplift and nurture and hold space for that family.
Right.
यूजुअली ये अदर वे राउंड होता है. लोगों को लगता है ये आई है बाहर से, इसको हमारे हिसाब से एडजस्ट करना है,
Right.
राइट? लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगता है दैट आप उस ओपननेस के साथ जाओ, दैट आई एम लीविंग माई सेट ऑफ कल्चर्स एंड वैल्यूज एंड नाउ आई एम एंटरिंग इन टू समबडीज एल्स. आई शुड ऑल्सो बी ओपन अप फॉर न्यू थिंग्स दैट आर कमिंग माई वे. अगर आप रिजिड माइंडसेट से जाते हो दैट मैं क्यों चेंज करूँ, यू नो, मेरे यूजुअली लड़कियों का क्या वो होता है दैट मेरे घर में तो ऐसा नहीं होता है.
You know what I have actually understood, because okay, when I was getting married, after that my few friends got married. Okay. So one question they asked me, which kind of behavior you received in your in-laws house when you, because I was the first one who got married in my friend circle. So they asked this question. I think this question should not be there. You know, because if you will say that I had some kind of cuisine last night, maybe you have Japanese food last night, and you have in an X restaurant, and if you're going to Japan and having that food, so there will be a difference of taste.
Correct.
100%.
Correct.
Right? So I think it is different for everybody.
Correct.
If you are asking me, and if you are thinking about that, okay, this Sadhana told me this has happened, so this will happen to me as well. So that kind of mind actually spoils before starting.
Yeah.
And then one more thing, I really am very sorry to say that, but I have to say this. We have the mothers, the sisters, the bhabis around us who pokes you, you know, before. You have to make your that you have to draw a thin line so that nobody can cross. Because before marriage or before getting into somebody's house, you are putting so many lines on me, and my mind is totally on the negative side.
करेक्ट. इसलिए मैंने बोला ना, वो
Right.
कंडीशनिंग पहले से दी
पहले
नहीं जाती
से,
है
right,
कि
right.
आप भी एक नए घर में जा रहे हो. सो हैव योर ओपननेस एंड receiving on that end also, that okay, I also have to accept these people as they are accepting me. That is there. Secondly, you also have to think that what am I bringing on the table. It is
Right.
very easy to go and pick out faults,
Right.
right? So when you enter into a relationship, and not just in-laws, even if you are living in a nuclear family,
Right.
just you and your husband, what are you both bringing on the table? That matters. Because zaruri nahi hai that whatever you expect of me, I have those qualities, but I might have something else as well to present. So going with those thought processes that we both have an individuality of our own, we both have our values of our own, we can bring the best of us on the table and try to accept or give time to the other person also to have a bond between us. Because instantly you can't expect in 2 days or a week or 2 weeks that मेरे को तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मेरे को तो जम नहीं रहा है, like people call it. But you have to really give it in completely with an openness that okay, I'm ready to receive what you have to offer, and I'm ready to offer what you are ready to receive. So there are a lot of key factors. If you enter a relationship with a very clear mindset that we are different people, we come from different background, but we have our own strengths, that is called that interdependence. No, that interdependence is not that कि मैं आप पे dependent हूँ, आप मुझ पे dependent हो. मैं आपसे मदद मांग सकती हूँ जब आप में जो strength है, और आप मुझसे मांग सकते हो without any shame and disregard. You bring respect on the table, you bring your values on the table, you try to have a common goal that we both grow towards a common, we grow together with common values, and we grow our family, and we have children, and we pass on the values. कोई भी दो जने सेम नहीं होते हैं.
Right.
कोई भी गलती उठाने के लिए आप किसी की भी गलती उठाओ और आप आर्ग्यूमेंट कर सकते हो. बट इफ़ यू हैव द राइट इंटेंशन, दैट मैरिज इज़ not about compromises, it is about conversations. You have a conversation before you have a judgment.
That's nice.
So,
I think my question was this, and you replied very nicely, in which you have given us 2 points: no expectations and try to receive
yeah,
what you are actually will get into the marriage.
yeah. So
Means open
go
heart.
with an openness. Yeah,
Yeah,
there's a
open
lot
heart.
to receive. You
Yeah,
go with an open
just
heart.
without expectation.
Yeah.
If we are going, or I'm telling all new girls who are about to get married or will get married, or maybe in future they will get married. Don't expect, because expectation is something like
Yeah.
which spoils everything.
Expectation ruins it. Yeah.
And when you are tying a knot with a person who will be with you for life,
Yeah.
most likely it happens.
Yeah.
But and if you're expecting small things, this is not done, that is not done, just look at yourself, that what you are doing extra for that person. Okay, so now this was the point for females. And what a female should check when she is into the new house. Because of course I can be very clear that okay, I will not expect, I will not judge, or I will not I am going whatever I will receive. But what is the other side? What about the other side? If the guy is not in this parameter, and if he is thinking that okay, it's not my type of, she has come to my house, she have to survive like the way I say.
But then again, साधना वही बात हो गई ना, that उनको भी तो एक conditioning देनी चाहिए, that you know तेरी शादी तो करा रहे हैं, but
that is, I think that is the main deep work for their mothers.
Mothers play
Maybe
a
sisters.
genuinely very critical role on both the sides. एक माँ, लड़की की माँ को उसको values भी सिखानी है, उसको अपनी self respect भी सिखानी है कि कहाँ तेरी self respect is being damaged.
And what is, I'm sorry to interrupt you here, what is self respect? Can you please explain it in a way, because for people self respect is very different. What I heard right now in the you know Gen Zs and all, they are hurt within seconds, and they are sad within seconds, and their mood swings get with spoils within seconds, and they are taking everything onto their heart. So what is actually self respect?
Self respect मेरे हिसाब से is your dignity. If I tell you that हम सबकी ना साधना values होती हैं. Like I, for example, I will say that okay, you have come to my house, and no matter when I come to your house how you treat me, but if you have come to my house, like this is my value that you are not going to go empty handed. For example, right?
Exactly.
कईयों का वो होता है that you have come to my house, I give you a small pack of chocolates or something. That is a value that I have, that you know that gives me a feeling of abundant, maybe, that you know.
For this you just reminded me, because every time I speak about my father, so again this actually statement again reminded me of my father. He used to say, when you are going to somebody's house, please take some small gift. It's not always required to take something huge.
Yeah, but
whatever you have available.
जो आप बोल रहे हो ना वो लेके जाने की बात है.
And then when you come back, that is the person's responsibilities. And if somebody comes, don't leave them empty handed.
Yeah. So for example, I am a person who wants to feel abundant in a way that whosoever comes to my house, you know, I want to give some token of love. Now if you are my husband, for example, and you start telling me that why have you done this every single time, you have made it a habit and this and that, and if I try to explain you nicely that you know this is a value that I have, this is a reflection of who I am. And if that person is degrading you for a smallest of value, that is your self-respect.
So it means you mean to say, if the person is not valuing your words, is called disrespect.
मेरी value को अगर आप उतना respect नहीं दे सकते, that okay, it is a small thing, Pooja, if it matters to you, it's okay. If that gives you happiness, you do it. So if that person is not doing that, then it is hampering your self-respect. Then you really need to step up and say to your husband that, listen, I understand that you don't believe in this, but let me do it for my happiness. There's no need to fight on it, but then you need to put forward your point that this is important for me and I will continue to do it.
Yeah,
but there's a way of saying it.
Basically a small, and it's not very huge thing, and it is not even very small for maybe him, maybe for you, but this is something which, you know, to accept the word of yours
हाँ.
that if she's saying means important to me.
क्योंकि पता है साधना, इन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से ना आप बंदे को ये बताते हो कि मैं हु एम आई एज अ पर्सन.
हाँ.
वो आपकी तभी रिस्पेक्ट करेगा जब आप अपनी वैल्यू की रिस्पेक्ट करना जानते हो. इफ फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई हस्बैंड, यू आर माई हस्बैंड एंड यू टेल मी कि डोंट डू इट फ्रॉम टुमारो, एंड आई विल से ओके आई विल नॉट डू इट फ्रॉम टुमारो, बट अंदर ही अंदर मुझे लग रहा है शिट यार, मुझे तो मना करना था, मैं तो कर ही नहीं पाई.
Okay, so now I have a question again. The question is, as we discussed about men and women and dignity. So dignity is something which you explained that if somebody is not respecting your words, right? But as we are human, it is not important that what I am saying is right and what he is listening and saying no to something which what I'm saying is wrong, right? Sometimes in an aggression or in an emotional phase, I can say, okay, yeah, let's do this. And being a smart person, being intelligent, as we say, men's are like that. So we always take support. So maybe he's saying, Sadhana, this should not happen because it's not right. In this condition, we can take vice versa. Suppose if I'm saying something and he's declining it in a frame where he's thinking about and saying, no, this will not help. And if he's saying something and I am saying no to something, which maybe he's thinking in this different manner and I'm thinking in a different, because two thoughts are not same. How to handle this situation?
इसलिए मैंने आपको बोला ना कि we should have a conversation before
But
we have a
what about
judgment.
the conversation when somebody, you are ready to do
I
the
know.
conversation, but the other person is just listening to you and not responding?
So this is why, like आपने बहुत अच्छे से शुरुआत करी थी कि you know शादी से पहले ही क्या सीखना चाहिए, क्या सिखाना चाहिए. तो दोनों आइडियली तो होता नहीं है, बट आइडियल कंडीशन अगर बात करनी है तो दोनों पेरेंट्स को या दोनों फैमिलीज़ को, लोगों को थोड़ा टाइम देना चाहिए ताकि आप शादी से पहले भी एक दूसरे से बात कर सको. वो कोर्टशिप पीरियड रोमांस करने के लिए नहीं होता है बेसिकली. दैट कोर्टशिप पीरियड इज़ टू अंडरस्टैंड वेदर यू हैव दिस नॉट द सेम माइंडसेट, बट एटलीस्ट डू यू हैव द बैंडविड्थ कि आप एक दूसरे के एरिया में थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कर सकते हो या कोई कॉमन ग्राउंड पे आ सकते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने कहा कि आपका एक थॉट प्रोसेस है, आपके पार्टनर का कोई और थॉट प्रोसेस है, बट कोई सुनने को तैयार नहीं है. इसीलिए एक कॉन्वर्सेशन कैसे की जाती है वो जानना, अपस्किल करना अपने आप को बहुत ज़रूरी है. दैट इफ़ आई नो यू एज अ पर्सन कि भाई साधना की वैल्यू है फॉर एग्जाम्पल वर्कआउट, ठीक है भाई, वो वर्कआउट नहीं छोड़ सकती, वो तुम्हारा
नहीं छोड़ सकती,
प्लान डंप कर सकती है, राइट? अब मेरा कोई रैंडम प्लान बन गया है विच इज़ क्लैशिंग फॉर योर जिम वर्कआउट का टाइम. अब ये मुझे पता है कि ये नहीं करने वाली, राइट? इसका वैल्यू सिस्टम इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, वो नहीं हिलेगी. बट I'm already prepared that there's a very high chance that you will say no. But still, I would want to have a decent conversation with you ki Sadhana, I know this. So first, validating your value. Sadhana, I know that this is very important to you. I know that. I respect that. But just for one time, it is really important. It has come up randomly. It was not planned. Can you please come up with me for so-and-so function or whatever?
And what I'm thinking is, if somebody is doing so much for you and listening to you properly,
मैं यही बोल रही हूँ, बात रखने का तरीका, आपकी चीज़ को वैलिडेट करने का तरीका. दैट आई रिस्पेक्ट व्हाट यू डू, यू वैल्यू योर वर्कआउट, बट दिस इज समथिंग, कैन यू डू दिस फॉर मी वन टाइम प्लीज. तो आप उसे कंसिडर करोगे. अगर मैं आप पे चढ़ जाऊँ कि सुन आज कैंसिल कर अपना जिम विम, हमें चलना है, यू विल से जस्ट गेट आउट, यू नो, मैं नहीं छोड़ने वाली. बोलने का तरीका, आप इसलिए कॉन्वर्सेशन एक वर्ड बहुत सिंपल है, लेकिन उसको होल्ड करना बहुत स्किलफुल काम है कि आप ऐसे बात रखो कि सामने वाला आपकी बात सुने और माने भी.
Conversation leads to fights sometime, and how to handle these fights or how to handle this conversation. Again, you said there is a way to talk about it, but if both are sitting quietly and the conversation start, and then somebody, you never know that, you know, this person, or maybe female or male, I am not against any of the genders, but simply usually what I have seen and what happens, we have said something to the partner and he's not or she's not talking the same day, next day she's saying something. There can be two reasons. Either she was not creating the fight at the moment, or maybe she was not able to understand what to do next, so she's calling somebody to ask. I think in a relationship, how important it is to have the third party in between both of you?
Third party ka, I would say, okay, there are two scenarios. One,
And
ki-
that third party would be the family members,
okay,
not the counselor.
specifically.
Yeah, not
Okay.
the counselor, not the means it should be whole and soul the family members, either the girl's mother or father or sister, or maybe the guy's mother, father or sister or brother, anybody. So like how
I think
different
agar if both the partners have already discussed their things and they have tried from their 100% from their side that okay, I tried to be silent and then spoke to her, didn't work out, or maybe the girl says okay, I gave him I wanted to talk to him that moment, he said I'll talk later, then I spoke to him later, he didn't say anything, then he said that I don't want to talk about it. If you are trying again and again and things are not working out, I can't give a specific number, but yes, at least 3-4 times if you have tried to communicate with your partner and the partner is not ready, I would suggest at least give a hint to your partner that listen, if we are not able to find solution between us, are you okay for a third person? Ask your partner. If there is a response that no, I don't want to include anybody, then there's a clear cut no. You are going to, damage the thing involving a family member.
means talking about your partner to the third
I'm just saying
person in
that
the
should
family.
not go as a shock to the other person that,
Right.
my father knows,
Actually,
or maybe
this
your mother
happens.
knows.
This usually happens actually when there's a third person always involved in a fights of XYZ, right? And that third person actually spoils everything.
Correct.
Maybe you are as a couple will solve it. Maybe you'll go for dinner. Maybe you'll have a chit chat talk.
Correct.
Maybe coffee. Maybe anything, right? But the third person gives you that arrogance which they ask you not to bend down. And I think in a relationship, if you're not bending down, you have no right to get into the relationship. Because bend down doesn't mean that you have to disrespect you. It is to respect your partner and same to them.
Yeah.
It's opposite. It's always vice versa, right?
Yeah.
Means if you are respecting 10 times for my words and maybe I am doing 20 times. So it has always happened like that, right? Okay, so now you tell me which kind of marriages you have lately seen are getting divorced after long years of staying together.
One which is a very common point that I see with my clients, especially because I deal with the divorce thing. So divorce में कुछ elements बहुत common होते हैं.
Okay, so before this, just tell me those elements.
One is physical abuse.
Okay.
So that I would really say that
What is physical abuse?
physical abuse is literally hurting you physically. It could be a slap, it could be hit from something, it could be pushing you in a way that you roll down the stairs or you hit a wall or you hit your head. One of the case I had was like she was not a client, but yes, we had a one-on-one, just a session where she was trying to seek guidance. That lady was on the bed for last 2 months, and when she could gather some courage to talk on a laptop, she booked a call with me, and then she said that I want to speak to you. So I said, okay, what is the issue? And she said that my husband, I'm going through a physical abuse concern for a few months now, and this time he pushed me so hard that she fell somewhere. She hurt her back. Her back bone was hurt so badly that she was bedridden. Why do you want to be in a marriage like that? So, and she was seeking advice that how do I fix it? And I was like, why do you want to fix it? Because I'm the only member of earning member of the family. We have a son. And I was like, you are telling me that you're financially independent. You are working and you are smart and you are whatever. You are taking care of the whole house and you're getting beaten up and you want to fix the marriage. So being in the shoes of a relationship counselor does not mean I'm only there to save the marriage. Sometimes I have to be really strict with my client and just guide them that this is not going to work out for
I
you.
would like to interrupt you here. I would like to talk to my viewers because this is what really actually shook me. I want to talk to those parents. We have seen so many cases lately, last year or maybe before than that is happening, that people are killing your daughters and hitting your daughters. I think if you got a life into this world after doing so much of efforts, you are sending your daughters to somebody else, which is actually a ritual. I am against of this. But still, if you are doing it, I'm very happy that you are following up the rituals, but not on the cost of your daughter's life. Because if she will not be here today, I think the parents will be the first person or first
Human.
people
Hmm.
to get
Affected.
affected,
Hmm.
and spoiling your life throughout and spoiling a life of your own child. I have seen mothers who are teaching their daughters that behave like this.
Yeah.
You have to survive. You have to be available on the beds whenever your man is asking for you. And there are so many things I have heard, in the circle around me. And then actually, it spoils my brain because one thing, I am very aggressive. I don't want to do something on it so that it will do something for others. But please have mercy on your children. Have mercy. And to the men, are you seriously that much weak that you are hitting your own wife who's delivering your children? If it is like that, you should be ashamed on yourself. This is, I'm saying on camera, you should be ashamed on yourself if you're raising your hand to a woman, whether it's your daughter, it's your mother, or it's your wife or sister, anybody. Because as we saw, the man is having the more masculine
Strength,
energy,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Utilize it for something which actually can change the world, but not for this. Yeah, come on, it's 2026, and
Yeah.
still, if I'm listening all of that,
Yeah.
it's next to impossible.
Physical abuse is one of a major element that I come across, and I'm not talking about 10 or 50 women, I'm talking in hundreds.
And then second
Yeah.
thing, there are people who are saying, okay, my husband slapped me once,
Yeah.
but after that he is fine. Throughout my marriage, it's been 17 years, 10 years, 18 years, 19 years.
Yeah. See,
that
that's a
it's
very
going on well.
personal choice. I cannot tell anybody that, okay, one slap, just get out. Or I cannot say it's just one slap, take it. It
It
is
depends on
something
the
very
behavior.
personal choice. I can give you both directions. I can help you go through that process of.
No, what I'm asking is, after the first slap, the woman should give chance to a man.
That-
Maybe he is in an aggression, or maybe he's in some other kind of phase. Because of course they are also human, and even if, I think hitting for anybody is not right. If you are hitting your child, if you are hitting your son or daughter or anybody, it should not be allowed. First
Yeah,
thing is that.
definitely.
But still, if somebody saying my husband slapped me once and after that he is really nice,
I can
he's
show
taking
you,
care.
like few days before, I had posted a story where I had put the screenshots of different WhatsApp, the different DMs that I got. और उसमें लिखा है that he only slapped me once, but he's very loving. He pushed me during the arguments, but he really takes care of me. इसलिए I cannot generalize this. It is your choice. But yes, on the first instant, will your husband allow you to just slap him once? He will not allow, right? He will take
that
it
will
very
call as a
offensively.
disrespect.
वो उसके ego को
Deep,
hurt करेगा,
deep
respect को hurt करेगा. He will say, how dare you? So are you both? So if I really show you the real picture, so there are people who get hit and get abused, and then it was just one time and they got over it. There are marriages where this is happening. Women are taking it. They are still trying to make it very general that nothing matters. It is okay. One woman told me that he only slaps me when he is very stressed out of work. And
do you slap him when you are very stressed in your office job?
So that category is also there. And I've also seen the category where husband wife एक दूसरे को थप्पड़ मार देते हैं, next moment they're happy also. So they are best of friends. They can hit each
So
other. So,
that
you know,
circumstances are nice.
तो हर किसी का situation अलग है, response अलग है, reaction अलग है. How are you taking it is your choice.
I think
because
women should
everything
be
has repercussions later on.
very vigilant while having these kind of issues. Maybe if somebody is slapping, so she have to notice few things after than that, or maybe she needs some time, or she should step out.
Yeah.
These three things can happen only.
Definitely. अब वही बोला ना कि जैसे for that movie that came थप्पड़.
हाँ,
It was one slap
one
and
slap.
it shook her dignity, and she was like नहीं कर सकता. Like
That
I
slap was in
lost.
personal and public is different, no?
public also, plus she
That
said
wasn't
no
public.
that एक थप्पड़ से मुझे वो सारे थप्पड़ याद आए जो मुझे कभी पड़े नहीं थे.
पढ़े नहीं थे.
So that shook her dignity. That is what I was talking about. If it is shaking your mental peace, then is it are you waiting for one slap then to
More
leave?
slap.
So that is your choice. If you cannot take it, if that is beyond your value system, I think you have your answer. Just leave. If you feel that no, you genuinely feel it was an accident, and the other person is genuinely sorry, repenting and trying to improve and doing anything and everything just to have your forgiveness, okay, give that person a chance. Your choice. And if you feel that okay, इसने मारा मैं भी मार सकती हूँ, बात वहीं खत्म कर दो, इतना बढ़ाना क्या है झगड़ा, ऐसे लोग भी हैं, then also your choice. It is your pick what you want. How deeply it is affecting your inner peace will tell you whether you have to take it the next time or not.
I think this comes from the same place where, again,
So
the
one was
generations.
this. Yeah, of course.
This is happening from generations that women is getting abused or slapped or anything, and then
And
our
पहले के
parents
time
are
में ना
saying.
choices नहीं थी. There were
I mean,
very
now
few
you are
choices.
seeing lot of
Now you
divorces
have
are
choices.
after 25 years of marriage, the divorce is happening,
Yeah.
and they are saying, okay, as I am a woman, I can understand that. If just think about it, if somebody took divorce after 25 years,
Yeah.
people will say that they have an affair out, she's having an affair or he's having an affair. But they're not seeing that she had spent that 25 years of her marriage in a relationship where she was trying to do everything perfect. But when the water was here and she was not able to breathe, she took her out self.
Yeah, maybe she thought of moving out 25,000 times in those 25 years.
Yeah, and
right?
then for a man, maybe it is very easy to take a decision because they have only one thought at one point of time. But for a women thinks thousand of things
Yeah.
altogether because we have so many. I'm not saying that you're not doing work because of you. Some houses are working, but still. A woman is not having one work. If she is working in an office, if she is working in a house, she's cooking also, she's cleaning also, she's taking care of the babies also, she's making them study and everything, then in-laws and then this and that, so many things, yeah. And if they are still doing it and trying to be with you, behave yourself. What else I can say, yaar? I'm really getting very angry today because I've never thought this day will happen. I was searching for somebody who can do that. And all of a sudden, Pooja came and I decided to do this topic because it's really weird. Means we can expect so many things, but at least not this year. If somebody is leaving after 25 years or 30 years of marriage and still you are blaming women, means only
there
one
are
thing,
I
they
would-
have to point you because you are a
would
woman,
say,
right?
I would say there are all kind of men also, all kind of women also. We can really, because I was on your place few years ago, but when I have started working with men and women both, I know both have a sad story to tell. And these days, genuinely, men are much better than how they were before. So
You know
वो
what?
पहले वाला थोड़ा generation defaulted है,
हमारा
but
एक लास्ट जो मेंटल हेल्थ पे हुआ था टॉपिक, उसमें आई सेड वन थिंग एंड आई एम अगेन सेइंग दैट द मेन हैज नॉट बीन टॉट वेयर दे विल अंडरस्टैंड दीज इमोशंस.
यार emotional language नहीं
नहीं सिखाई गई है
हाँ.
उनको.
They are not
Because
taught like
अगर
that.
आज आपका बेटा और आपकी बेटी लड़ रहे हैं घर में, if they are fighting, I have son and daughter. So my son is having an instruction, if in any circumstances you will hit your daughter, you will get very very bad treatment from my side. And the same thing goes to my daughter as well. If you will hurt your brother, then the same thing will happen to you. So
Yeah.
you both want to fight with your voice. Don't fight and raise your hands onto each other, because
Correct.
if I'll not teach him today, he will might do this outside with other females as well, because he will be having a tag that I can hit my sister, so I can hit any female.
Correct.
And that any female is your wife also. And later on maybe I can be the one also, because I'm also female, the mother. Right? So you never know.
Correct.
It is very important for female mothers who are raising your son, whether you have a daughter or you don't have. Teach your kids, first of all, to show emotions. If they're crying, don't stop. Let them cry for some time, so that at least they will understand why they are crying, and they will be able to tell you, this is the reason I'm crying. Because if you are stopping them in between, So there's
आपको
no
पता है,
point.
I'll just interrupt you here.
Yeah.
अगर आप बच्चे को, स्पेशली बॉय चाइल्ड, अगर आप बचपन से उसको एक्सप्रेस करना अलाउ करोगे ना,
करोगे।
तो वो रेजिंग हैंड वाला स्टेज नहीं
Stage
आएगा.
नहीं आएगा, right?
क्योंकि वो एंगर कहाँ से आ रहा है, वो
Anger issue.
सप्रेस्ड इमोशंस से आ रहा है, क्योंकि उस इमोशंस कभी बाहर नहीं आने
नहीं
दिए.
आए, right?
You have a son? You have a son. How old?
He's 11.
11. So can you publicly hug him and do a puchi gaal pe and
Yeah.
all that?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Even if he's standing in people, I never scold him.
हाँ.
I just say like this, if something is not right, he sees my eyes and he understands something is not right. So then he stops. And then and there also, excuse me, mama, just like that. And then what I did wrong? Said, no, you did not have done anything wrong, but that was not the way to do it. So behave. Then he understands. So this is the way we talk.
But I'm talking about that soft skill. Jैसे my son is, he's turning 8 now. And I will make sure that as soon as we meet after school or any, any little bit break, he goes out to play, then he comes back. He will come and hug me and I will hug him and I will kiss him no matter he's in sweat or whatever. And I can do that exactly in front of his friends, in
Yeah.
public place.
Wherever.
And he's just 8 and I will make sure that that is going up till 18 years also or maybe after that. The problem is कुछ टाइम में ना लड़के ये कंडीशनिंग सीख लेते हैं फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स और फ्रॉम सोशल मीडिया और फ्रॉम देयर पीयर ग्रुप हु आर इक्वली स्क्रूड अप कि नहीं टच नहीं कर सकते, अरे मम्मी सबके सामने किस नहीं कर सकती. वो इमोशनल फिजिकल टच ख़त्म हो जाता है लड़कों में. आप देखोगे लड़कियों के साथ माएँ कडल कर लेती हैं, बट आफ्टर अ पॉइंट नो द सन द चाइल्ड स्टार्ट्स टू हैव अ डिफरेंस of
It
how they
starts
show
from
off.
there only, na?
Their acceptance become very very less कि ठीक है प्यार हक कर लिया, किसी मत करो मम्मा सबके सामने. आई हैव सीन किड्स डूइंग दैट. मम्मा डोंट किस मी ना, डोंट पुश मी ना. सो आप उसका फिजिकल जो टच है ना वो ख़त्म कर रहे हो एंड दैट इज़ द सॉफ्टनेस इन अ मैन. इसलिए उनको सबके सामने कुछ करने में शर्म आती है. व्हेन दे कांट हग देयर मदर्स in front of people, they will not hug their wives or show love in public because उनको वो थोड़ा embarrassing लगता है.
And of course, as you said it very correctly, I will just connect something to it. The way they cannot show this love, the same way they cannot show the respect as well, because they think it is crime. If I am taking my wife's side, whether she is right or wrong, it's a crime. Because we have not to do it. We should not do it. Why? Because it's not allowed. They don't know how to cry. They don't know
पर
how
वो
to
है ना
express.
साधना, देखो ना, अगर आप उस बच्चे को मैन को बच्चा बना दो तो उसने देखा ही नहीं अपने घर
देखा
में
नहीं, right.
कि मदर, मेरे फादर ने मदर को हक किया हो. चलो उस टाइम पे हग्स नहीं होते थे, बट गिविंग ए रिस्पेक्ट टू योर मदर इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीवन शायद नहीं देखा तो उसको आया ही नहीं.
आए नहीं, right.
कंडीशनिंग तो पैदा होते ही शुरू हो गई ना. आप मुंह से बोलो या मत बोलो, इफ़ यू आर मॉडलिंग दैट इन द हाउस कि भाई द फादर इज स्क्रीमिंग एंड येलिंग एट द मदर बट ही इज टीचिंग यू टू बी अ नाइस पर्सन, हाउ विल द चाइल्ड लर्न दैट?
Not possible.
आपको पता है मेरे को कितनी बार लोग बोलते हैं कि मतलब झगड़े इस बात पे हो रहे हैं घर पे कि वी आर नॉट एबल टू हैव अ चाइल्ड इन द हाउस. मतलब जैसे कपल्स आर नॉट एबल टू कंसीव, तो उसकी वजह से इश्यूज हो रहे हैं फैमिली में.
I think the generation is more now. Means, okay, it's very funny. I would like to say in this fashion.
नहीं, बट आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि आप जो बात बोल रहे हो ना, मैं उससे कनेक्ट कर रही हूँ कि आई टेल देम कि यू आर फाइटिंग फॉर अ चाइल्ड इन द हाउस, बट लुक एट बोथ ऑफ यू.
Both are fighting.
You really want to bring a child in the house.
Like this.
If you are not ready to really work on your negative things, your weaknesses, you will screw up a child's life.
And
You have to change for good for your child.
Lot of marriages are actually destroying nowadays because of the women and the men. The men is scared of getting a child in the house. Their emotional trauma, you can say. They have trauma after knowing that, oh, I'll be having a child in the house. How will I survive? And they're so restless. There are women who really don't want to spoil their figures, their bodies. And there are people who are not able to conceive. In this situation, I would like to take the third one first. If a woman is not able to conceive for anything, you are the husband and she's your wife. Please never forget that. Behave and stay together, because this only cannot be a reason to get separated.
No, it's not getting separated, but the issues are rising up in the house.
And this
In-laws are
issues
getting-
maybe the husband and wife can manage, but the other in-laws are there na. This is you were about to say. The outside people, what they will say is their problem, I think.
इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि हस्बैंड वाइफ के बीच में उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन होना चाहिए दैट nobody is able to get into that two-handed circle. वो
Yeah.
आपका सर्कल है, वो इतना क्लोज होना चाहिए कि उसके बीच में किसी की
And when you
जरूरत
see
नहीं है.
when you are into new house and you have seen that mother and father-in-laws, because I was having one of them, the coordination between them, they were very strong. They were very strong because if she's saying something, he's saying yes. If she's doing something, okay. And that coordination which they don't want their son to have, I think they have in them. So why is it for them? If we are not allowed to do, or maybe somebody else is not allowed to do, why these people have this coordination?
Suddenly I feel it is sad, but then suddenly मुझे ऐसा लगता है that after marriage, once their son gets married, they party together. They come into one party. That okay, now we have to be one, because they have that fear कि वो बेटा, he will somehow fall in that trap or something.
See, for I think mother-in-laws and father-in-laws, the best point is this son is there in front of their eyes, right? And what about the girl's parents? They are also becoming mother and father-in-law.
Yeah.
They have their son-in-law now.
I
Why
know,
they
this
are not
is-
harassing them?
This is sad. आप देखो जब दामाद घर जाता है, मतलब बेटी के यहाँ जाता है, तो उसको एक शाही ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है. 10 तरीके के खाने बनेंगे, 10 बार पूछा जाएगा, अच्छा अब ये खा ले, अच्छा शाम को क्या खाएगा, अच्छा कल सुबह क्या खाएगा, यहाँ ले चल, कुछ गिफ्ट्स ले आएंगे, सब कुछ. एंड आफ्टर दैट प्रिविलेज्ड ट्रीटमेंट, men only stay there for 2 days. And the girl stays in the in-laws house for entire life. Is she treated like that? No.
Okay, let's talk about one more thing here. As we discussed so many problems, and we took the side of the both parties, either the men and the women as well. And it's you can say if you're getting married, you should be having a strong team to stay together. Okay? And suppose if it is not happening, you are realizing it after few months that it will not work. But still you are moving on and you are becoming a mother, then second child. Then again you want to raise your children, then you're again moving on, and then the time is passing and you are saying now it's the time to leave. And somehow you are still not able to step out because you're not working, or you don't have the ample amount of money with you where you can take care of your children, and you will not be able to live without your children. In this scenario, how we can help these people?
See, let's start with the start where you said that
okay.
they got married. In few months, they realized that नहीं चल रहा है. Seek help. I would want to break a few myths here. एक तो रिलेशनशिप कोचिंग सिर्फ डिवोर्स के टाइम पे लेने की चीज़ नहीं है. सबको पता नहीं, ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि काउंसलर के पास जा रहे हो मतलब तुम्हारी शादी तो खत्म, शादी टूटने वाला हिसाब हो गया. Seek help as soon as you feel you're not able to help each other. Because वो बोलते हैं ना, maintenance is better than repair.
Yeah.
Maintenance cost हमेशा कम होती है.
Of course, in the equipments also, when we buy electronics, they say no, they have the maintenance day.
कार ले लो यार, कार का maintenance
आपका अगर
कराते हो ना.
maintenance नहीं कराओगे तो breakdown कर
महंगी
जाएगी.
सी महंगी गाड़ी का आप मेंटेनेंस कराते हो, भले उसमें कोई दिक्कत है या नहीं है. You give the car for a maintenance, for service, because you want to make sure everything is okay, because you know if the खर्चा comes, it's going to cost a bomb. So don't you realize your biggest investment, your relationship, is going to cost you a bomb if it breaks? Because वो सिर्फ आप दोनों ब्रेक नहीं होगे, दोनों फैमिलीज जाएंगी, मेंटल हेल्थ जाएगा, बच्चे जाएंगे, सोसाइटी का इशू जाएगा. अगर दोनों कमाते हैं तो फाइनेंशियल प्रेशर बढ़ेगा. You pick up anything, it will be affected if your marriage is affected. इसलिए this is one of the core reasons I work with marriage thing is क्योंकि अगर marriage बिगड़ी तो आपकी जितनी इक्वेशन बनी हुई है ना वो सब बर्बाद. वो इम्बैलेंस आना ही आना है. एक चीज को संभालो, सब बैलेंस में रहेंगे.
So it means she want to say the maintenance is important. As you do
Correct.
for your car, please
So
do it
जैसे
for your family.
हाँ, आपने बोला जब लग रहा है नहीं हो रहा, 3 महीने में लग रहा है नहीं हो रहा, सीक हेल्प. चलो आपको काउंसलर के पास नहीं जाना, किसी दोस्त से बात करो, किसी पेरेंट्स से, किसी नॉर्मल दोनों जनों के पेरेंट्स को बुलाओ.
इंसान से बात.
टेक स्टेप व्हाट जब मेरे पास लोग आते हैं कितना टाइम हो गया, तो मैं कहती हूँ आज तक कुछ किया नहीं किया, तो अब क्यों कर रहे हो? जब आपने 40 साल निकाल दिए या 4 साल या 14 साल निकाल दिए तब कुछ नहीं किया, तो अब क्या बदला है? नो, नाउ आई कैन नॉट टेक इट एनी मोर। मैंने कहा वाई, वॉट चेंज्ड? जो आप स्टेप 4 महीने में ले सकते हो ना, वो ले लो। 40 ईयर्स होने का वेट मत करो। डैमेज ज़्यादा है। जितना वो बोलते हैं ना, गलत ट्रेन में चढ़ोगे, जितना दूर तक जाओगे वापस आना महंगा।
तो आना महंगा पड़ेगा, राइट?
जल्दी उतर जाओ तो टिकट सस्ती मिलेगी, वापस पहुंच जाओगे। सो सीक हेल्प इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग।
I would like to say counselors in any form, whether it's a relationship, it's an education, it's a mental health.
They're just
work,
guiding you.
They are guiding you. Please seek help. And
Bilkul.
I would you to advise our people with 3 steps where they are thinking that they are surviving in the marriage, but it is actually not working according to you.
ओके जहाँ सर्वाइवल का काम वर्ड आ जाता है, दैट मीन्स
It's not working.
it's not working. You don't feel aligned. And again, if you're not feeling aligned, are you not feeling aligned because you understand yourself very well, or you are acting from a place of ego? या फिर कंडीशनिंग जो घर की मिली हुई है उससे ऑपरेट कर रहे हो, इसलिए लग रहा है कि नहीं चल पा रहा? वो भी नहीं पता ना, उसमें भी तो क्लैरिटी चाहिए. अगेन सीक हेल्प. मुझे ये समझ नहीं आता, लाइक आई लिटरली टेल पीपल व्हाट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट, 1 hour सेशन विद अ स्किल्ड थेरेपिस्ट और अज्यूमिंग योर थ्रू आउट लाइफ कि ये तो चल नहीं रहा, मेरा रिश्ता तो चल नहीं रहा. यू कांट टेक 1 hour 40 minutes या जो भी एक सेशन लेके किसी से बात करो. Any person who is into this work and who knows the work will tell you in 1 hour, are you operating from a place of fear or are you operating from place of
There is
value?
one more thing came into my head just now. They are not going to counselors. Why? I'll give you the
मैं आपको
example.
वही मिथ उस टाइम बस्ट कर रही थी ना,
हाँ.
कि कोचिंग आपके एंड मोमेंट के लिए नहीं है.
नहीं, it's still you are saying that is correct, but still there is one more thing, and it is very funny. Trust me, because now after this really a very heavy discussion, I would like to light myself up. They are saying they are going to the counselor. I have heard this. One of my friends said she got divorced, by the way, but I'm happy for her, and we had a party as well. She said, I was not going to the counselor because she might tell somebody, the counselor, okay? But here everybody knows about her in the house. Her neighbor knows about her, her friends, her family, that they have both very much issues. Then who is left? I just want to understand. सबको पता ही चल गया आपके बारे में, एक काउंसलर को बताने में क्या होगा? Maybe you will get a guidance.
Yeah, this is like honestly I'm hearing for the first
No,
time.
it happens.
क्योंकि
They say कि counselor, when I'll go to the counselor, maybe she will publicize it somewhere, maybe she will say something to somebody, maybe any of other person will go and maybe she'll share my story.
नहीं,
They are
but
scared.
this is a safer space because वो आपको जो नहीं जानती ना आप उसको जानते हो. So even if I tell you my entire life story, what will you do about it? Like what will you get out of it, and what will you get out of it by gossiping it to others?
Gossiping, yeah.
मिलेगा क्या? So counselors, any kind of sessions, therapists, they are a safe space because there's a clause of confidentiality कि आपकी बात कहीं नहीं जाने वाली.
For
You
me,
are treated as a human being, not as a person who is a victim or who is a
As
villain.
per my suggestion, please don't share with your family members. Go to the counselor to understand actually what's the problem. And if you really want, because every time, whenever we have any podcast, this statement every time comes. If you are not true to yourself, you are not true to anybody in the life. Because you came as a human, just take care of yourself if you want to make people around you happy. If you want to make them to be happy with you or with your situations and all, first make yourself happy.
ये दूसरा पॉइंट था जो आप इससे पहले
हाँ.
पूछ रहे थे ना, कि 3 चीज़ें बताओ कि कोई क्या करे. पहला, हेल्प लो भाई. सेकेंडली, आप अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ के लिए कुछ करते हो या सब अग्रेशन फैमिली पे निकल रहा है? वो भी तो एक बहुत बड़ा इशू है ना, कि आप फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो, सब बच्चों पे निकलता है. आप फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो,
बच्चों
हस्बैंड
को
पे निकलता
मारते
है.
हुए देखा है मैंने मम्मियों को.
सो इसलिए सेकंड है कि भाई अपनी मेंटल हेल्थ का ध्यान रखो. एंड थर्डली, लर्न हाउ टू हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद योर पार्टनर. 95% चीज़ें कॉन्वर्सेशन से सॉल्व हो जाती हैं, पर लोगों को ना कॉन्वर्सेशन करना आता है, ना वो सीखना चाहते हैं, और ना उन्हें वो इम्पॉर्टेंट लगता है. उन्हें लाइक वन ऑफ द मिथ दैट आई वांटेड टू बस्ट वाज, इफ ही लव्स मी ही वुड नो. अरे
How?
he would not know.
How?
आपने कभी बताया उसको?
Means if
This is-
what
this
is
is
the
something-
statement? If he loves me,
If he loves me, he would know. और if she loves me, उसे तो पता ही होना चाहिए था कि मुझे
क्या?
ये पसंद नहीं है.
आपने दिखाया था.
वही तो
Means do you have a mirror here so that anybody can see?
Relationships are running on assumptions. Another big myth is कि अच्छी marriages तो effortless होनी चाहिए. नहीं, हर marriage में काम करना पड़ता है. This is somebody very close to me told me on my face. But Pooja, don't you think कि मतलब if the right partner is there, then things are effortless? I said, I'm sorry, no.
You know, this word is making me realize that everybody who's having children in their house and they are fighting, it means they are not good children. Why? Because it should be effortless then. Because as the marriage works effortlessly, then the children also should be like that. It's an example, like if this
Yeah.
can be really smooth. See, smooth things only happens in televisions or movies, but you need to put effort to make it effortlessly, na?
मैं आपको एक और एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ. मेरे लाइक पर्सनल लाइफ का एग्जाम्पल है. आई एम द मदर. मैंने 2 बच्चों को जन्म दिया है, सेम वूम से जन्म दिया है, मेरे ही अंदर से निकले हैं, पर फिर भी मैं कितनी बार दोनों का इंटेंशन नहीं समझ पाती हूँ. अगर वो दोनों लड़ लिए तो मेरी बेटी अज्यूम करेगी कि ये इसने ऐसे बोला था मम्मा, और बेटा बोलेगा मम्मा पर मेरे को तो मतलब नहीं पता था, मैंने तो ऐसे ही बोल दिया. देयर इंटेंशंस वर डिफरेंट बट दे वर फाइटिंग, राइट? इफ आई बीइंग द मदर, दोनों में मेरा एक खून दौड़ रहा है, मेरे से ही पैदा हुआ है. इफ आई कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड समटाइम्स बोथ ऑफ देम, हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट एक दूसरा ह्यूमन बीइंग दूसरी जगह से आया हुआ कि वो आपके अंदर की बात समझ जाएगा? दिस इज वन ऑफ द सैडेस्ट थिंग दैट आई कम अक्रॉस सो फ्रीक्वेंटली कि बट उसको तो पता है कि मैं ऐसा हूँ, उसे तो पता होना चाहिए था कि मैं ऐसी हूँ. अरे बट आपने बात ही नहीं करी ना,
तो पता कैसे चलेगा?
जब आप विमेन मोस्टली ये कंप्लेन करती हैं, मेरा हस्बैंड मुझे टाइम नहीं देता, मेरा हस्बैंड मुझे टाइम नहीं देता. जब आपके पास टाइम होता है तो आप क्या बात करते हो? क्या आप एक दूसरे को समझने की कोशिश करते हो? आपको एक दूसरे के बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं है.
I think personal experience. I think we discuss issues over a normal talks where we should talk about our both selves. We talk about others. This happened, that happened. This.
आप गॉसिप करने तो बैठते हो, लेकिन आप अपने बारे में बात करने के लिए नहीं बैठते. अगर आपका बॉन्ड इतना स्ट्रांग हो जाए कि आप एक दूसरे को समझो, एंड समझने के लिए मैं फेवरेट कलर, फेवरेट फूड की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ.
It's beyond that.
इट्स बियॉन्ड दैट. लोग लव लैंग्वेजेस की बात करते हैं कि उसकी लव लैंग्वेज है गिफ्ट्स देना, या मेरे काम में हाथ बटाना, या मुझे प्यार करना, फिजिकल लव. आपने कभी किसी से सुना या मैंने नहीं देखा लोगों को बात करते हुए कि फाइट लैंग्वेजेस का क्या? मैं और आप एक तरीके से नहीं लड़ते. आप हो सकता है गुस्से में चीख के बात करने वाली हो, मैं शट डाउन हो जाऊंगी यार, मैं 2 दिन तक बात ही नहीं करूंगी. तो जब मैं आपको जानती ही नहीं तो आपसे लड़ूंगी कैसे? या अगर मैं बात नहीं करी तो आप तो ये सोचोगे तो नाराज़ी हो गई. अरे बट आई एम टेकिंग माई टाइम टू प्रोसेस व्हाट हैपेंड सो दैट आई कैन कम बैक. तो बात करना, सुनना उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है जितना कि एक दूसरे का फेवरेट कलर जानना. आई नो वो एम्बैरेसिंग हो सकता है कि किसी के सामने आपको एक दूसरे का फेवरेट कलर नहीं पता, लेकिन वो उससे ज़्यादा एम्बैरेसिंग हो सकता है कि किसी के सामने अगर लड़ाई हो गई ना तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि वो चुप हो जाएगी. दैट मीन्स दैट्स हाउ शी विल रिस्पॉन्ड.
Right. Something big thing is
सो
not right.
नोइंग ईच अदर बियॉन्ड द फिजिकल, वो टिप ऑफ आइसबर्ग तो दिख रहा है, लेकिन उसके नीचे जितना बड़ा आइसबर्ग है वो कौन देख? यू डोंट नो. दैट्स व्हाई यू गेट हिट. You get so hit badly that you drown after that.
I think this conversation will take 2 more episodes. So before we'll close the session for the today, I want you to give 2 tips to the people who really want to seek help and who really want to think that now it's the time I should work for myself. Two points.
2 tips who want to seek help. Okay. यार टिप तो यही बोल सकती हूँ कि सीकिंग हेल्प इज़ अ साइन ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ. लोग उसको शेम की तरह देखते हैं कि अरे मैं कैसे जाऊँगी, मैं कैसे बताऊँगी. किसी और को बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट इज़ यू हु इज़ ट्राइंग टू बिकम अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ. सो सीक हेल्प फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव एंड नॉट कि आपके में कोई कमी है. एंड सेकेंडली, ज़रूरी नहीं है, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट आई गेट सो फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड बाय वुमेन कि बट मेरा हस्बैंड तो काउंसलिंग के लिए नहीं आएंगे. अरे पर दोनों को आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, एक जने से स्टार्ट होता है. Shift happens when one person starts to work on the marriage. So just come, share your thoughts, see what can be done right, what is possible. Possibilities ढूंढो. आप better बनने की कोशिश करोगे, वो shift automatically सामने वाले में दिखता है. आई हैव हैड पीपल जो लास्ट सेशन में अपने हस्बैंड के साथ आए थे बिकॉज द हस्बैंड फेल्ट दैट ओ यू हैव चेंज्ड अ लॉट इन लास्ट 2 months. सो ये मत वेट करो कि कोई और आपके साथ आएगा तब मैं तैयार रहूँगी. देयर विल नेवर कम अ डे व्हेन यू विल से नाउ आई एम रेडी.
Right.
When you are aware that something is not right, just seek help, and I think that will take you to a
And one
transformation.
last point to have a happy marriage.
To have a happy marriage, talk more, touch more. Like in genuine sense, जितना ज़्यादा आप एक दूसरे को हक करोगे, जितना ज़्यादा आप एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ोगे, even if you are in the house and you are doing your own work, just pass by your partner, touch them on the hand, pass by them, just give them a kiss, pass by them. The more physically,
Express.
the more physical touch happens, neurologically we become more happy. ये scientifically उससे मैं बोल रही हूँ that touch each other more
It's more.
and talk. Learn to talk if you find it difficult to talk to each other because it is a skill and can be learned. Assumptions will only ruin your marriage. I can only end with that.
That's nice. So I think this conversation is huge, and I hope people who are sitting other side of the camera, they will try to understand. Actually, we don't want the divorce to happen.
I
but
know,
we want
that is sad.
the happy marriages will stay longer as it was in previous lives. And then I would like to say, women, please seek for help. Even men, if you have issues,
Yes.
talk, because maybe you have not learned. Maybe this is the time to learn to have a better marriage. So stay tuned with us. This is me, Sadhna, and this is our channel, The Attitude of